By the way, today's shoulders, so I cannot be late. And I have to go to the gym at a certain time because there's this girl that comes there at that time on the weekend. Like today's a Saturday, and she comes around a specific time every Saturday, and just seeing her makes me it makes me love life. Like, just, she's amazing, and she motivates the hell out of me whenever I'm working out, and I love that about her. With her in the vicinity, so she can see me doing shoulders, and then I'll see her doing whatever she's doing, and we'll make love with our eyes. She looks, she's noticed me. We do the little head nod thingy, or the little smile, like yes, hi, like we're regulars. I like that. Okay, it's called a throttle. Press it. Audi A7, is that fast? Nimbus, do you want to? She said no. Close. Didn't work. It works sometimes. Ooh, I think I see something. If I'm right, it's a Lambo. If I'm wrong, then it's not a Lambo. Sorry, Aston. I thought it was a Lambo. I was close. I didn't see the Ferrari though, so that was my thing. Come on, McLaren, let's pop a cherry with you. I didn't see the Ferrari. I thought the McLaren was a Lambo.
I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down.
Ferrari's gone. McLaren behind us. Sadly, no open roads, so we won't be able to have any fun. One of the most glorious moments of me riding Nimbus happened right here. Auto rate, auto rate, auto rate, auto rate, auto rate, auto rate, auto rate. My bad, McLaren. My bad, McLaren. We're not going after the auto rate. I'm just here. Come on, this is racist. Let me go. So McLaren and a Ferrari. So 3 McLarens today. That's why I need to get out of sport mode, because it's a beep. We're gonna change modes here. We're just changing tracks. It's an R6. It'd be cool if they're going the other way. I think he knows me. Either that or he's in love with Nimbus. That was a little bit of fun. But they're R6s, so I can't really, you know. Two things at once. And that was just rain mode. I didn't go all the way with them. I wish they're going the other way, like this way. Then I could really show them what I can do. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Practice makes perfect, right? Your boy still got it. I don't know, being in full leathers, it just gives you so much confidence. All right, they're all against the speed limit. They're boycotting the speed limit right now. This is a protest I'm in right now. Look at this guy. He loves PE so much, he put it on his license plate. He's repping his PE class. Maybe he's a gym teacher. Who knows? Ooh, chick, girl, chikorita, mamacita, muchacha. Alright. They never have any fun. I think because they're electric and they don't run on battery. That's why they're like, nah. You gotta love traction control! We want the funk! That's what Kendrick's saying, not me. He's saying he wants the funk. Get off your phone! He heard me. I told you I'm a superhero. Now am I saying that I text and drive? Sometimes you're on the road and you get a booty call. BTB! BTB! He knew what I meant. That's why he bagged her. If I learned anything from Ludacris and Twista, is that you love girls, but you don't pay them. You don't pay them!
Turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down.
I was gonna crash. She recommended me going to a strip club for them friends. Oh, look, he wants it. He likes it. He wants to get it in. If you want to get up with your cuddy buddy, then subscribe below. Come on, gun that, dog. Gun it. Come on, you in a Ferrari, gun it. Why are you sticking behind a... Oh my god. May I grind up on you? Watch. He's probably taking the highway, so we're never gonna be able to make love. That's just how my life is. God brings people into my life while I'm riding, and then takes them away viciously. I'm planning to love you. I love you, mi amor. Excusez-moi, s'il vous plaît. Gracias, mi amor. Empezo. No, that's start. Cerrar. Cero? How do you say open? Abrir. To open is abrir. Abria. There you go. I don't know. Abrio. Soon I'll be calling all the girls to drink my milkshake. How do you say milkshake? Leche. Milk and then shake. Shako. Leche shako. Milkshake. Remember, if you don't know any word in Spanish, just add an O in front of it. The American word, the English word, add an O. Like, you know how to say brother? Say brodero. Brodero. That's from Arrested Development. Arrested Development. That was rain mode. That mark just got marked. You saw him trying to pull up on me. You don't pull up on me, I'll pull up on you. You guys already know that. It's one of the biggest rules. You don't pull up on me, I'll pull up on you. Bye-bye, Mark. You just got marked. I like it when you let me try on your face. Cause girl, I ain't got nothing but a turn. Well, that again, ain't gonna cut up, girl. Ferrari. I'm sorry. I was gonna go over there because I see something pretty, but I saw a Ferrari. Young money. I gotta chase it. I'm sorry. It's in my blood. Young blood. There it is. I believe that's Ferrari, California. I know it's a Ferrari. It's really tough for me to know the submodels or the model. I know the brand. I don't know the model. But it's an oldie. I'm an old guy. Ferrari, California. Looks nice, man. I feel Ferrari, Californias are more for like the older people. I hear an exhaust. Damn, is that Scion? But yeah, we caught up to it. Even though that wasn't what I was supposed to do. I was gonna go, I was supposed to meet somebody. Now I have to turn back and go meet somebody. You see that? You see what I do for you guys? I just told you guys I was lonely, so I was gonna go see somebody. I called her up, and she said only $5. I'm playing. That's so messed up. I shouldn't say things like that. I take that back. I received this question many, many times. Why don't you go against a Poisson? I think it's a Scion. Correct me, or Salika, I don't know. But whatever it is, why don't you go against it and stuff like that? The reason I had to go against Scions and stuff is because it's not my job. It's not my, I don't choose. I don't decide. Nimbus here decides. If she wants to chase it, she would have chased it. She would have been up in that bumper right now, right up against it, rubbing her front tire against the rear bumper if she was into it. But she's not. So I can't, I don't decide anything. I'm just a guy with the camera. She lets me ride her because I'm the one who's recording her. Simple as that. So I'm not the one who decides all that stuff. So take it up with her. She's an exotic chaser, a supercar booty chaser, a super booty chaser. If you were a little bit faster, I would have made this. Now I'm gonna get raped by this traffic. Come on! Lambo. That was a Lambo. Yeah, you know what? We're done. That was a Lambo that was turning. That's the one I was chasing. We're done for today. Hope you guys enjoyed all the stuff that's saying I'm sexy. Brought to you. Remember to subscribe only because you love me. I'm off to see my therapist. I don't have a therapist. It's just fun to say that. Peace. Love. A kiss to you. Mwah. And until next time, ride safe, drive safe. Keep loving me because I need the love. Peace.